Wait 5 minutes, just enough time to let these half-moon pies cool a little. Bite and enjoy their crispy crust and tasty stuffing made with chicken, vegetables, and creme fraiche. Here are the ingredients for 20 pies. You can find this list and tips on cookingwithmorgan.com. First, prepare the dough. In a non-stick pan, put 30 centiliters of water, half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and 20 grams of butter. Bring to a boil. When the preparation starts to boil, stir to melt the butter. Then turn off the heat. Put 250 grams of wheat flour all at once. Stir until the liquid is absorbed. Then knead for 3 minutes. Cover and let rest while preparing the stuffing. Cut 300 grams of chicken breast into small pieces. Put them in a bowl. Then add 1/4 teaspoon of salt, some ground pepper, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Mix. Also cut into small pieces 100 grams of mushrooms, one potato, one onion, two garlic cloves, grate a piece of ginger to get half teaspoon. Mince 5 grams of cilantro. Start cooking the stuffing. Put 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan over high heat. When the oil is hot, put the potato and occasionally stir for 1 minute. Add the mushrooms and a pinch of salt. Stir from time to time for 5 minutes. Keep aside. Put 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan over medium heat. When the oil is hot, add the ginger and the garlic. Stir for 20 seconds. Add the chicken pieces. Let them grill for 1 minute. Flip them over. Put the onion on the chicken. Leave another minute. Stir for 30 seconds. Add the vegetables, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce. Stir for 20 seconds. Add 100 grams of creme fraiche. Turn on low heat and stir for 20 seconds. Add the cilantro. Briefly stir and turn off the heat. Put the stuffing in a bowl to prevent it from drying out in the pan. Now make the pies. Knead the dough for 30 seconds. Divide it into two. Sprinkle with a little wheat flour to spread. Spread it out to get a sheet of dough of about 3 mm thick. Cut discs of 10 cm diameter. Put 2 teaspoons of stuffing in the center of the disc. Close it in a half-moon shape. Press on the edge of the pie to close properly. In a bowl, put 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons of milk, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Beat them. Put 150 grams of breadcrumbs in a plate. First, dip each pie in the egg. Then cover it with breadcrumbs. Gently press so that the breadcrumbs stick to it. At this stage, you can freeze them. Preheat the frying oil over medium heat. When it reaches 160 degrees Celsius, put the pies in. Maintain this temperature. Flip them from time to time. After 5 to 6 minutes, when they become golden, take them out and let them drain on a rag. Offer these half-moon pies as a starter or as a snack. Eat them when they are still hot. The creme fraiche enhances the taste of the stuffing with the turmeric marinated chicken, the potatoes and mushrooms. Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.